It was hidden under his bed.
That's a guilty sneeze right there.
That monkey fell off and bumped his head. Little Bear called for the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
The Funkee Bunch.
Guys, someone's at the door. Heidi, what a great dance.
I can't stop dancing.
Dancing to the doorbell, Heidi. Who is it, Little Bear?
Nerdy boy.
Nerdy boy?
Hey.
What the?
Hey, who are you talking to? What are you doing?
He's upside down. He's upside down.
What are you doing?
Hi, Nerdy boy.
Hey,
What brings you here?
I heard the baby was here. The baby's born. I gotta meet the baby.
Yes.
I brought gifts for the baby.
That's so sweet.
Oh, Nerdy boy.
Come on, come on, come on. I want to show you the presents.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's sit in here. He's like a dog. Nerdy boy, you're so happy to finally meet the baby.
Go easy now, nerdy boy. She's just a tiny little baby.
She's so small. Is she even real?
She sure is.
Nerdy boy, of course she's real.
Isn't she beautiful?
She is. Oh my, she's amazing.
Hey guys, you know what I think this means?
What?
Nerdy boy's an uncle.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh no.
Uncle Nerdy boy. Wait, we have to buy baby Jade a bow tie and some glasses.
Oh, but wait. What of the gifts?
What's the gift? Oh, how cute.
Wait,
Her own headband from
What's that?
Nerdy boy.
what's that smell?
What
Oh.
smell?
Me?
Ew.
Oh, Nerdy
Yes,
boy.
it's mine. That was the special present.
She's a newborn baby. She's gotta be clean, Nerdy boy.
It's
Get rid of that thing. That smells disgusting, nerdy boy.
Well, okay, I have an idea. I have something new. I'm gonna play a welcome song for Baby Jade to me. From me to Baby Jade.
Okay. Wow.
Oh, leave it to Nerdy boy. Look, he just found our guitar. Oh, Nerdy boy.
Welcome, welcome from all of us to you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We hope you don't smell like. We can't forget about Little Bear either. Just because there's a new cutie in the house doesn't mean we forget about our old people.
That's true.
Now that Baby Jade is here, nobody cares about Heidi anymore. All news. Kind of a snooze.
Oh, Nerdy boy.
Just kidding.
You made Heidi cry.
It's true, isn't it? No one likes me anymore. Say goodbye to your youngest.
Heidi, no, we love you.
2 hours later.
Heidi, we're so glad you came back home. We love you. Jade didn't take your place. Don't listen to Nerdy
She
boy.
didn't take your place. You're just second now.
Nerdy boy, you're really teasing on Heidi tonight.
Okay, I'll
Okay, let's see the gifts. What did you bring for baby Jade?
Well, first, let us all celebrate with some romaine. Get it? Let us celebrate.
That's so sweet.
Because it's a head of cabbage. I mean, a head of lettuce, and then the baby has a head. Well, I got baby wipes because I thought that'd be necessary since there'd be a lot of
Nerdy boy,
cleanups.
can we see that?
Yeah.
Nerdy boy.
That's
Yeah.
leather wipes for furniture, Nerdy boy.
Let her have some wipes. And I thought, okay, now that she's breathing oxygen, I thought maybe that she needed some lip balm.
Oh, how nice. Because she's breathing oxygen, she
Here you
needs
go.
lip balm. Yeah, that's okay.
That's good. We're good. Thank
Well,
you.
my
Thanks.
special.
Yeah, you really is a really kind thought.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I got this fish.
Oh, how cute.
I thought it could be dangling in front of her.
Oh, Nerdy
Distracted
boy.
from crying.
The-
And it's a magnet too.
That's cute.
Magnet.
Oh,
A fishy magnet.
Let me see it.
that's nice. Love that.
So I think that's
That
what we
is
actually used there, nerdy.
so cute.
A coloring book. I thought maybe we could color together. And yeah,
Oh my god.
You're gonna be clean.
Nerdy boy.
Well, nerdy boy, you know, a lot of good thoughts there, nerdy boy.
Yeah, it's a thought that counts. Whoa!
Bring it here.
Yeah.
Alright, well, okay. Another gift.
What else?
Some birdseed.
Birdseed.
Wow.
Where's your brain?
Okay.
Well, I thought the baby.
Birdseed.
I thought maybe we could go bird watching together.
Oh, how cute. Aww.
You think there's a dog collar?
Whoa, so when we take the baby for a walk? Alright, I'm forgetting the most important gift.
What?
The truck. I brought the truck. I'll take the first bit now.
Oh, Uncle Nerdy Boy bought you such a cute prize.
Careful there, careful.
Careful, nerdy boy.
Oh, Nerdy Boy. Don't drop her.
Okay.
Don't drop her. Oh, how cute. Oh, look at it. She does love it.
Smiley.
Throwing up her eyes for me.
Oh, she is. Baby Jade.
Hey, nerdy boy, I have to hand it to you, man. I think you did a really good job with this gift.
Yeah,
Look at her, how cute.
Can't
I
say
think
that.
she just had a little,
Number 2?
yeah, something in her pants. Hey guys, I'm holding her really tight, so it's okay. We're gonna turn this way.
Oh, how cute. She loves it.
Go baby Jade, go
Look
baby Jade.
at her.
Dirty boy.
Oh my gosh, look at her. Look at She looks like a little She looks like a little doll.
so cute. Lumber's jealous.
Oh, baby Jade. Oh, little bear. That's so cute. She's looking right at Aunt Heidi. And look, she looks like she has a little bald head and then the hair on the side. What?
It's Jade's bunny.
Oh my gosh, where was it?
Little bear. Look it. You hid it from us.
Little
What?
bear,
What?
you
No.
hid it?
No, it wasn't me.
He knows he's wrong.
It was
Look at
Nerdy Boy.
him.
It was hidden under his bed. That's a guilty sneeze right there.
Oh my gosh.
Filled with guilt.
What did you do, little bear? You hid baby Jade's bunny rabbit? You fresh little doggy. Oh, well at least we found her bunny. Oh, right under the bed. Oh, goodness. Oh, little bear.
Let me say,
You and your mommy have the same color hair. Oh, how cute. Heidi, that looks so cute. Oh, see, little bear, everybody still loves you. Oh. See, we love you. We love you.
hey, nerdy boy,
Yeah.
I think you're gonna make a great uncle.
It's time to say goodbye, 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 goodbye. It's time to say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Wow.
Baby Jade.
Awesome.
Oh, we love her. Oh,
Wow, this is amazing.
Hi, friends. Do you know what time it is? It's bedtime now. And Little Bear and I are so nice and cozy in our PJs, and we wanted to read you guys a story. Right, Little Bear? What story did you pick, Little Bear? 5 Little Monkeys, Little Bear chose. But we do have to settle down because we're getting ready for bed, right, Little Bear? Okay, let's read our story to all our friends. It was bath time, so 5 little monkeys took a bath. 5 little monkeys put on their pajamas, just like me and Little Bear. And 5 little monkeys brushed their teeth. Now, 5 little monkeys were jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Little Bear called for the doctor, and the doctor said, No more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Little bear called for the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys were jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Little bear called for the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Little bear called for the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey was jumping on the bed. That monkey fell off and bumped his head. Little bear called for the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So then 5 little monkeys were fast asleep, and now Mama can go to bed. Yay! But actually, it's Little Bear can go to bed. Little Bear, did you have little monkeys jumping on the bed? Oh, you are such a special doggy. Bye, friends, and thank you so much for joining us. Little Bear might be having his very own channel with bedtime stories, right, Little Bear? Because we love to read stories before bed, and we love to share them with you.
Little Bear's bedtime stories.